Creating a new drug is expensive, fiercely competitive, and there's no guarantee of success. So why is it so critical for Taiwan and organizations like ITRI to develop their own medicines?
ITRI is the largest research organization in Taiwan. ITRI actually focusing on 6 different areas of research. Biomedical actually is one of them. Nowadays, it's an emerging area, especially for many cancer treatments, cell therapy, gene therapy. So that's another area we are focusing on. I think the whole area is booming over the past maybe 10 years. So people are looking for different immune checkpoints because cancer cell, our immune cell will attack those cancer cells, but cancer cell will, develop something to overcome those attacks from immune cell. So one of the product we just developed over the past few years, this anti-TIGIT. So we developed a specific antibody.
We developed anti-TIGIT antibodies, ITRI-501. The mechanism is to bind to the TIGIT and block the engage of TIGIT to the binding partner proteins on the tumor cell. So there's no way it can send "don't kill me" signal, so that the killer cell can successfully kill the cancer cell.
So it's much more targeted.
Yes, and more safe.
We are helping to translate basic research into a final product, application, or new services. So I think Taiwan, in terms of biomedical research, we actually is doing quite well. We have very good healthcare system. Most of our physicians, either they have good trainings, and so they learn the up-to-date, treatment modality, different research from all over the world. Because we all learn from COVID-19. During COVID, everybody looking for vaccine to treat their people. Taiwan, because of geopolitical reasons, it's very challenging for our government. So having our own capability to build our own immunotreatment products, that will help. Especially now everybody talking about pharma resilience. So that's another layer, from the government standpoint, you need to have your own capability to make your own antibody to treat your own cancer patients. We have this kind of R&D capacity, we have this kind of end products we can offer to our people.
Firstly, how long has ITRI been working in this area? And how long do you think till we find some of what you're working on in the hospitals?
This year is 27 years of my laboratory. So over the past more than 2 decades, we've been putting a lot of resources, of course, thanks for the funding coming from the Ministries of Economic Affairs. So oftentimes in the past, everybody say, I develop a new drug, it will take 10 years, at least $1 billion to do so. But now, with many different digital technology tools, we actually can facilitate. And we're also building a new infrastructure to support, to facilitate a new drug or new product to go onto the market and can be used in the hospital. For example, we have many collaboration with various hospitals in Taiwan. So we have a co-developed project. Because our relationship with hospital in Taiwan, we actually can facilitate. We all know that you have to do in vitro assay, you have to do preclinical with the animal study, and then clinical trial. So we kind of building a new ecosystem, try to facilitate the product development pipeline. So I'm hoping we're not going to take another 10 years to have a new product on the market, and then maybe 1/3 of the time and less money to support for a new product to be developed in the near future. So we are hoping this one can go on global stage in the next few years.